We see ourselves as being able to build the students and the workforce of the future.
The next generation of drone aviation, robotics, and unmanned systems is now within reach.
What could we do to build a world-class program that can take students from any level of their intellectual ability or their past schooling experience and give them a world-class science degree in robotics where they could get a job in 2 years?
At Warren UAS, we're taking new careers to new heights.
We realize it's not just about drones, as we think of them as aircraft, but it's ground vehicles, driverless cars, maritime vehicles, it's spacecraft, it's everything you could possibly imagine with robotics.
Warren UAS is the only college in the world to be certified as an AUVSI service provider, an ASTM approved training provider, and a member of the FAA Collegiate Training Initiative.
Beyond the basics of the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate, we are able to certify pilots for higher level flight. That means more complex situations, more complex missions.
To fly the drones commercially, you need your Part 107. And one of the best prep courses for that here at the college was the FAA and Airspace course, the safety course that we did, and then obviously the Part 107 test prep course.
With state-of-the-art UAS labs, outdoor flight training center, a highly trained certified staff, and 6 types of simulators, and a fleet of more than 75 drones, there is no better place in the world to launch a new career or start a new business.
So a lot of what students learn here is the best of both worlds. They learn how to fly drones and fly safely, and beyond that, they learn how to fix drones, how to repair and troubleshoot drones and robots, to 3D printing and mechanical design, so that they can hit the ground running when they join the workforce or start their own business venture, whatever it is that they choose to do.
From my experience, I love the hands-on. I love being able to learn by touching versus gaining information and then trying to retain it.
Warren offers 1-year certificate programs, such as drone pilot or maintenance and repair, along with a 2-year associate's degree in some of the fastest growing sectors in the job market, including precision agriculture and commercial space operations.
The demand is outpacing the supply of professionals like no thing I've ever seen before in education. So a lot of the training we do can be very specialized. So it's not uncommon for us to do specialized training for law enforcement here, specialized training for farmers here. The biggest use for drones right now is in precision agriculture. You're going to find that we are going to teach you not only about drones, but we're going to teach you the science behind it. So you're going to learn thermography, you're going to learn photogrammetry, you're going to learn GIS, and you're going to have these skills when you go into the workforce.
I started the Warren UAS program about 1.5 years ago. As a disabled veteran, I was looking for an avenue where I could explore everything that I had learned in the military.
On the cutting edge of technology, safety, and professionalism, helping you go above and beyond.
What Warren UAS above and beyond means to us, going above and beyond what's expected. We don't want to just put drone pilots out to the world. We want to put system experts out into the world.
I like the fact that once I accomplish this program and complete everything, I have choices and options, and I think that's the most important part of this education.
It's amazing where robotics and technology is going, and I can be a part of it.
Here at Warren UAS, you really can go above and beyond.